Hey, how's it going, guys? Garcia here with another portfolio update. So in this video, I'll break down the portfolio, show you the moves that I made today, share some of the posts from Twitter, and give the shoutouts at the end of the video. Okay, so let's get to it. So today we closed at $186,087.45 is where we're sitting at after hours. So another good day. I mean, I was doing the math and it looks like another 7-8%, and we crossed the 200,000 mark. So I keep saying it, but it's just incredible. It's been a great year. Okay, in the traditional IRA, we were up 1% today. We're up 70.6% year to date and all time starting on April 11th 2024. This account, no changes. This is the positions right now in order of equity. And let's check out the Roth IRA. Roth IRA, it was down 0.1% today, surprisingly. And here it is 54% all time, and this is going back to December 22nd 2023. Okay. In this account, I'm not sure if I don't think I made any moves here. This is the equity and percent change. So it looks like Innovix had a pretty good day today, but Iron and Marathon, it looks like those were the two that dragged down the portfolio today. Yeah, so Innovix trying to return $321 here was dragged down by TSLL and the Bitcoin miners. So pretty flat for the day. Okay, and in the big account, we were up 1.5% today. So pretty good day here. 56.9% in the last 3 months. 123% year to date. 108% in the past year. And 77% all time. All time going back to August 2nd, 2021. Okay, so in this account, here's the equity. It looks like, in this one, I did close out the end phase long call, and I decided to buy more shares of TSLL in this account. Reason is, tomorrow we're going to have 1010. And I think, with Tesla just hanging around so damn low, I just keep thinking, what am I doing putting in more dollars in other things when I could be just adding it to something that I think is going to go up a lot higher over the next year, 2-3 years. So I took some of the money from there, from Enphase, and I bought 125 shares at $11.70. Okay, let's see. Palantir just keeps having a great day after great day. I did buy a couple more puts. I bought some $40 puts expiring January 2025, giving myself a lot of time to maybe I'll be right, maybe not. And if I'm not, that means that the shares are holding strong above 40. And if I'm right and it does go down, then I'll use that money to buy the dip, and then I'll close the long puts. And when I think we're approaching some type of bottom, I guess, or some type of support level, I'll start selling cash secured puts as well. Flip it from long puts to short puts. Let's see. The SoFi $10 calls, we're up 27% on those. So those are doing pretty well. I am hoping, these are $10 strikes. So I'm thinking that once SoFi approaches $10 or $11, then I'll start selling covered calls against these leaps. I'll start selling short-dated, calls. Like, let's say, for example, if this was in the money, if the long calls were right at the money, then I would sell the one right above it, the strike right above, just collect some premium that way. I have five contracts, then I would be collecting around $50 a week or so, and try to manage it a little bit better than I did with the Tesla poor man's cover call, which I closed a long time ago. Let's see. No, just continuing the accumulation here. I mean, I'm just trying to accumulate as many shares as I can of TSLL, Innovix, Rocket Lab at these levels. With Palantir, I'll just continue holding the 3,700 that I currently have. And let's look at these covered calls. These covered calls are busted, man. Like these, let's see, what did Palantir close at today? Looks like I'm gonna have to roll these covered calls. So at 43.12. 43.12 minus 38, it's $5.12. $5.12 minus 543, that means we have 31 cents of extrinsic value left. Theta is at 29, was that, yeah, $2.09 or 0.0029. Yeah, I might have to roll it either tomorrow or by the end of this week. And if I do, let's see, roll position, I might have to roll it out maybe up to $40. I roll it up to $40 to November 15th. Or I roll up to a higher strike. Let's see, I can roll up to a higher strike and then sell some additional covered calls at that same strike and hope Palantir takes a breather at these levels. The risk is that it starts ripping up even higher and even higher and even higher, and now I just put more of my position up on the chopping block. So something to think about. Let's see. And I think that's it. And today on Twitter, I didn't really post anything besides that video that I guess it kind of went more viral than I expected. So I kind of saw that Chris, he was kind of talking about the new bear thesis against Palantir. And I was thinking like, man, but I mean, he sold a long time ago. So I kind of figured out like when it was that he sold. And I mean, dude, like I don't know if it's going to get dinged with the whole copyright, thing or whatever. But it was like $9.91 when he started selling. And then he talked about moving it to Snowflake, which was like at $168. So, I mean, I don't know. I guess for me personally, I think everyone has their own opinions about the whole Chris debacle and all that. But for me personally, I don't have any ill will towards him. But I do think maybe other Palantir investors kind of react negatively to maybe the way he goes about, I don't know, talking about his short or talking about the company. Maybe they're taking it too personal. I don't know. I much love to Chris, but I just think maybe just Palantir is just not a company, not a stock that that he got right. And you can't get all of them right, but I think maybe he's kind of digging his heels in and trying to find something wrong with Palantir. And sometimes you just get them wrong. I mean, I myself, I'm an idiot. I'm not over here analyzing companies, as many companies as he does, because he gets a lot of calls right, a lot of plays right. He made a bunch of money after this, but I mean, this is just one that he got wrong. So, yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, because I really didn't post anything else. I think I just woke up and posted that. Man. And I did post this immediately. Like, I added this comment to not be cruel in the comments because I know some people in the community don't really like them. I just did not expect it to get this many comments. It got 110 comments. So, man. Yeah, one thing I didn't expect. But yeah, that was literally the only post. I guess I just woke up and chose violence, I guess. With that, I'll leave it here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Leave a comment down below, if you enjoyed it. If there's anything else you would like for me to talk about. And still working on that covered call cash secured put video for beginners. That is something I would like to put out sometime. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys have a great day.